in any startup company, any tech company, you're constantly evolving. So, I mean, we started in the airline space. I started the company to solve a very specific airline problem. But now, today, we don't just have airline customers, right? We work with hospitals, we work with colleges and universities. And so our still fundamental is based in the airline space, but it's not just, no longer are we just an airline-based AI tech company, right? We look at ourselves now as anyone who has an inventory management problem, anyone that is counting inventory on a manual process, the Countifi platform can help. And so that evolution really just happens because the more and more you evangelize about your company, tell you, here's the problems that we're trying to solve. And for us, really, as a computer vision data company, we really don't care, truthfully, what the inventory is, right? As long as we can get a good image, it can be airline liquor bottles or soda bottles or, cases in a warehouse or medical devices or, a college dormitory furniture, things like that we can all count, and we have counted and built models for. And so really that evolution really just comes out of the conversations you have, right? Making sure that people know who you are, know what your company stands for, and the problems you're trying to solve. Our mission is to make sure that we can be the #1 AI-based inventory management platform, period, right? And so with that, using AI and computer vision, when we constantly talk to clients about the problems that they're trying to solve, about their manual inventory counting processes, or really what happens is the processes are so cumbersome that they don't do them, right? And they don't do them, they don't happen. And so when you try to get some inventory data, it's like, hey, we haven't done an inventory count in a year. And so we're just trying to backpedal and get this information correct. So what keeps us motivated is seeing how many problems we can solve with AI, with our AI platform. What can when we talk to customers, like how can we make sure that we can implement a process that's easy to implement, that's easy to understand, and it communicates that data, that gives them enough data to make a better financial decision. So the Countifi platform is very easy to set up, right? We have a hardware platform, and we also have a mobile app platform as well. So depending on what the current operations are, we have some airlines that use our hardware cameras inside the kitchen facility, where they look at the items that are coming off the plane. Look at the liquor trays that is coming off the plane, look at the soda trays that are coming off the plane, and we take a picture of those items, right? And that'll give you more information about consumption. We also have other clients that simply want to look at food, look at first class, business class, economy food that comes off the plane. And so and they have conveyor belts, and we'll put a camera there that records the video, and we'll look, and it doesn't intrude at all in the current processes. And that video, we look at items based on the menu items that come back untouched, right? So depending on the specific problem you're trying to solve, Countifi has an application for that. And we have some clients that give us the pictures, right? We don't have to be the ultimate source of the images, but if some clients say, hey, we already have these images, we just like you to perform inference and build a model on those as well. So we have multiple points of entry. I think the first step is really just going to countifi.com, right? Getting an understanding of what we do, how the process works, how simple it is, and then getting in touch with one of our sales reps that can walk you through the process very easily.